I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integrations. Now search and select Trigger, which is Gravity from. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action drip. Give here the drip API token. So please visit drip user settings. Copy the API token and paste it on the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an account. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the drip dashboard. Under the people, navigate to the active. Here you can see that the data came successfully in the drip. Thanks for watching.